OMG guys, you won't believe where we're eating. This is so cool. I wish we could be here all day long. Check it out. We got our own palapa. Yes, our little hut. Love. What a great place to have lunch. Look at my parents. You guys all right? All right, let's eat. If you guys are just joining us, welcome to my channel, Mikey Bustos, and I'm here with my family here in Coron, Palawan, Philippines, enjoying the beach. This is Sunset Beach, and we're about to have lunch. Look at how gorgeous this is, guys. Welcome to the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. What?
Hey guys, this is like Boracay. They got white sand.
White
and
sand,
the water is warm.
Which do you like better, Boracay or Coron?
Both.
Both.
I'm greedy, eh? Both.
You want both.
I
like everything.
Yeah, everything. To go. If I can take it.
You'd like to bring a little bit of this beach to Canada?
Right.
Oh, look at how fresh this lunch meal is. You got fish, you got pinakbet, which is like a vegetable stew, Filipino style. You got grilled squid, chicken, nothing like chicken on the beach. And all of this fruit, oh, cucumber, so good. Guys, look at this red snapper fish. Oh man, look at that meat. Freshly cooked on the boat this whole time. Love it. Wow. Gonna add some calamansi, which is like, it's like a mini lemon lime. Yes. We need vegetables, guys, up in here, seriously. And you know, I'm slowly finding that I'm craving vegetables more. And it's weird, but I feel like I'm crossing over to a largely vegetarian diet. I always listen to my body. My body tells me, okay, time to eat cheesecake, or time to have coffee, or time to eat more vegetables. I find the body has its own like schedule, you know what I'm saying? It knows. Like right now, I'm not craving any cheesecake or chocolate or anything like that. Like lately, I've been craving vegetables and fish. Okay, red snapper. Here I am eating fish after talking about how much I want vegetables. Veggies. Squash. Okra. How's the food, mommy? Can you believe they cooked all of this on the boat? Well, not the fish. They was grilling in the boat the whole time.
These are healthy. Barbecue.
Chicken. Alright guys, so this place here is pretty cool because apparently under the water is a shipwreck. A shipwreck? Yeah. So we're gonna put on the scuba gear and I'm gonna go check this out. Like seriously. Hey, Daddy, where'd you get that swimming cap? My dad's prepared. What is that? Oh, why do you need a swimming cap? Are you racing or something? He's gonna take a nap. So funny. My dad is hilarious. My boy squad, I'm gonna dive. Watch my Olympic style diving. Wow. It's like Olympic. I learned that from you. Go, Joe. All right. One, two. Oh my gosh, diving is so fun. And diving with hair is a different story. You can feel every hair blow in the water. Ew, you're like a dog. Okay, my dad's going again. Wait, I need to stand back for this. Okay, Daddy, joke of the day before you dive. What's the joke of the day? Oh.
That is the joke of the day.
He can't hear us, my boy squad. He's got earplugs. Mommy, how come you're not going in?
I don't know how to swim.
Whatever happened to your aqua fitness stuff? I thought you know how.
Aqua, I'm just Linta when I do my aqua fitness.
Okay, I'm listening to my body now, and it says it's time for chocolate. Dark chocolate. Is it good?
Decadent.
Yes, now we're talking. Guys, yes. Go ahead. Go ahead, Hector. Let's drink Red Horse. Red Horse. Who wants Red Horse? Hector. Yes. Guys, he's like a sorry store, a corner store on a boat. No, this is what I'm saying. This is what it's about. Guys, cheers. Thank you, Hector.
Thank you.
Mommy, cheers. Yes. Boy Squad, cheers to life. Mabuhay from the Philippines. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to say, the ant video that I uploaded, the frogs versus ants, it trended in the US at number 2. Crazy. What a relief. I spent 2 weeks making that video. Cheers to that. Yes. Cheers.
Coca-Cola with rum.
Hala.
Coke, rum ng Coke. Movie ng mga tunay na lalaki.
Ay.
Sunglasses.
1, 2, 3. Are you guys gonna like go? Look at this. The perfect Instagram photo.
Go!
Wait, what is it?
Joe! There you go.
Finally!
I'm doing my aqua fitness.
Yes. My mom and her aqua fitness. Guys, seriously, doesn't get any better than this. I love this. Every person should be able to bathe in salt water. You know what I mean? Like, there's something about the salts, like for the skin, you know what I mean? And not only that, scientifically, you guys have to watch my friend Veritasium, Derek Muller. He has a video about negative ions, which are ions that apparently make you feel good. And apparently beaches are a natural source of negative ions, like waters crashing against the shore produce a lot of negative ions. So that's also possibly an explanation as to why people feel good when they're at the beach. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys are ever thinking of vacationing, I highly recommend 1, a destination with a beach or waterfall, and 2, if you guys are able to, come to the Philippines. It's just beautiful, beautiful country and very tourist friendly as well, because in the country they speak English. I know several of my friends have come here for their honeymoon. Highly recommend it. Guys, look at the shape of these rock islands. It's so signature Coron. See that? Just beautiful. It doesn't look real. Like, for all you Torontonians and people from Ontario and Canada, it reminds me of like Canada's Wonderland. The mountains, seriously. Canada's Wonderland. Beautiful. Joe, doesn't it remind you of Canada's Wonderland?
Yeah. Well, they probably modeled it after this stuff. These kind of like rock formations,
Like,
right?
it's just, and I think it's like limestone. What is that? I need to Google. Guys, this is Dennis, our tour guide, and Arman and Dudong. Yes, they've been so helpful at taking us around all these beautiful Coron Islands. This is the Twin Lagoon. Beautiful. Beautiful land formation. It creates this sort of like shallow inlet. The water is so blue.
The sun hit the water and it like turned really blue.
Oh, wow! That's Instagram worthy. Look at that. Look at this.
Well, that's where we're going.
It's just beautiful. See that? Yes.
I think those are like legit cracks.
Seriously, I think I've done enough swimming for the day. Just gonna chill and absorb the ambiance. Thank you, MIKEYBUSTOS Squad, for joining us for this vlog. Seriously though. My hair has been showing up for these vlogs these days. I love having hair. It's been 2 decades since I've had hair. You know what I'm saying? I just love touching it. My mom's asking if I'm gonna keep my hair. Should I keep my hair?
I don't know. It's still the same.
My New Year's resolution was to cut it at least by April Fool's Day. So April 1st. Should I cut it?
Cut it? Like
Shave it, I mean.
Oh no.
Keep it.
Yeah.
Joe, have you enjoyed having hair?
Yeah, I love hair.
Would you ever shave
It's
it?
just yeah, I maybe at one point for just the convenience and efficiency of just not having to, you know, maintain it. But I don't know. I kind of like it.
How long have
like
you had
having
hair?
hair.
Your whole life?
We both shaved our head when we were maybe like 7,
No.
10.
When you were 1 year old, 2 years old.
No, but we did it in grade
the
3.
latest time, yeah.
I shaved both of you many times.
It's a very Filipino thing to shave the hair because it apparently means the head will be growing thicker, the hair.
My hair was as short as yours in like maybe 3 or 4 years ago. And just for a change, I decided to do this.
How much do you spend, would you say, on maintenance? Like including like cutting, coloring, shampoo, products, all of that. Is it expensive or is it cheap?
Okay, well I can say this. If you grow your hair as long as this, it actually has weight, so you don't really need to like put product in it. There's enough weight for it. When I wake up in the morning, it's like always a good hair day.
Oh,
Wow.
I never realized that.
So I never have to put any product in it.
Wow. Mommy, I remember when we were younger, your hair used to be so long.
Yeah.
How come you...
I don't know. I forgot.
Oh, remember, they got friends. The hair cutter. They got
No,
salon
he
for
wasn't the
free
one.
haircut.
Wow, my boys got, they gave us mamon. Go try it.
Good.
It does smell good.
It reminds me of childhood.
Can I go for it?
How is it?
No.
Oh, good.
I thought it's a mamon.
It is mamon.
Oh, why is it so hard? Coconut mamon.
Good.
I'll eat that. It's like a date.
It's like a... Okay guys, so we've had a whole fun day here in Coron. Beautiful sights, beautiful beach, beautiful ocean. But what we're gonna show you next is probably one of the most beautiful sights ever.
Yeah.
And here it is.